In the vast tapestry of human imagination, the concept of superpowers has woven itself into the very fabric of our culture. From ancient myths and legends to modern-day comic books and blockbuster films, the idea of humans possessing extraordinary abilities captivates our minds and stirs our souls. Yet, as we delve deeper into this fascinating subject, we find ourselves at the intersection of myth and reality, where science seeks to illuminate the shadows of possibility. The notion of superpowers often conjures images of flying heroes, invisible cloaks, and telekinetic forces. But what if we approached this topic not merely as a fantastical dream, but as a genuine inquiry into the capabilities of the human body and mind? Could there be an underlying scientific basis for these extraordinary abilities? To explore this, we must first examine the realms of human potential and the limits of our biology. Consider the phenomenon of extraordinary human feats, those moments when individuals push the boundaries of what is deemed possible. Take, for instance, the case of Wim Hof, often referred to as the Iceman. Hof has gained notoriety for his ability to withstand extreme cold, submerging himself in ice baths for prolonged periods and even climbing Mount Everest in nothing but shorts. His remarkable feats have been attributed to a combination of breathing techniques, meditation, and a unique physiological response to cold exposure. Hof's method, known as the Wim Hof method, emphasizes controlled breathing and mental focus, allowing practitioners to tap into what he claims is an innate human ability to regulate body temperature and withstand harsh conditions. The scientific community has begun to take notice of Hof's claims, with researchers conducting studies to understand the mechanisms behind his extraordinary abilities. One study published in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences found that Hof and his students could voluntarily influence their autonomic nervous system and immune response, a feat previously thought to be beyond conscious control. This suggests that through rigorous training and mental discipline, humans may unlock hidden potentials within their biology, challenging the conventional understanding of our physiological limits. Yet, if we are to discuss superpowers, we must also confront the limitations of our biology. The human body, while capable of remarkable feats, is still bound by the laws of physics and biology. For instance, the concept of flight, often romanticized in literature and film, remains an elusive dream for unaugmented humans. The mechanics of flight require not only an understanding of aerodynamics, but also a reconfiguration of our physical form. Birds possess lightweight skeletons, powerful muscles, and specialized respiratory systems that allow them to soar through the skies. In contrast, the human body, with its denser bones and lack of wings, is ill-equipped for such endeavors. However, the advent of technology has blurred the lines between human limitations and superhuman capabilities. The development of exoskeletons and jetpacks has opened new avenues for exploration, allowing humans to experience flight-like sensations and enhanced mobility. These innovations raise intriguing questions about the future of human potential. Could we eventually augment our bodies with technology to achieve what was once thought to be the realm of superheroes? The answer may lie in the growing field of bioengineering, where scientists are exploring ways to enhance human capabilities through genetic modification and cybernetic implants. One of the most captivating areas of research is the study of genetic mutations that confer extraordinary abilities. For instance, consider the case of the super tasters, individuals with heightened sensitivity to certain tastes due to a genetic variation. This phenomenon, while not a superpower in the traditional sense, illustrates how genetic factors can influence human perception and experience. Similarly, there are documented cases of individuals with exceptional memory, such as the memory champions, who can recall vast amounts of information with astonishing accuracy. These individuals often employ mnemonic techniques, but their underlying genetic predispositions may also play a role in their extraordinary abilities. The exploration of genetic factors brings us to the concept of CRISPR and gene editing, a groundbreaking technology that allows scientists to modify DNA with unprecedented precision. While the ethical implications of such advancements are hotly debated, The potential to enhance human capabilities through genetic modification is tantalizing. Imagine a future where we could edit genes to improve cognitive function, physical endurance, or even resistance to diseases. This prospect raises profound questions about the nature of humanity and the definition of superpowers. If we can engineer our biology to achieve extraordinary feats, do we become the superheroes of our own narratives? Yet, as we venture into this realm of possibility, we must also consider the ethical dilemmas that arise. The idea of creating superhumans through genetic modification could lead to societal divisions and inequalities. Who would have access to such enhancements? Would it create a new class of individuals with abilities far beyond the average person? The implications of playing God with our genetics are vast and complex, requiring careful consideration of the moral responsibilities that accompany such power. While the scientific exploration of superpowers may seem rooted in the realm of fantasy, there are also psychological dimensions to consider. The human mind possesses incredible potential, and the study of psychology reveals that belief and mindset can significantly influence our abilities. The phenomenon known as the placebo effect demonstrates how the mind can impact physical health and performance. In various studies, individuals who believe they are receiving treatment often experience real improvements in their conditions, even when the treatment is inert. This suggests that the power of belief can unlock latent abilities within us, blurring the lines between reality and perception. Furthermore, the concept of flow states, those moments of peak performance where individuals feel fully immersed in an activity, can also be seen as a form of superhuman experience. Athletes, artists, and performers often describe entering a state of flow where their skills seem to transcend ordinary limits. Research has shown that flow states are associated with heightened focus, creativity, and performance. In this sense, the ability to enter a flow state can be viewed as a superpower that anyone can cultivate through practice and mindfulness. As we continue to explore the existence of superpowers, we must also confront the stories of individuals who claim to possess extraordinary abilities. Reports of people with seemingly supernatural talents, such as clairvoyance, telepathy, or psychokinesis, have persisted throughout history. While many of these claims lack rigorous scientific validation, they raise intriguing questions about the boundaries of human perception and cognition. The field of parapsychology seeks to investigate these phenomena, exploring the possibility that there may be aspects of human experience that remain unexplained by current scientific understanding. One notable example is the phenomenon of savant syndrome, where individuals with developmental disabilities exhibit extraordinary abilities in specific areas, such as music, art, or mathematics. These individuals often possess remarkable skills that appear to defy conventional understanding of intelligence and cognitive function. The case of Kim Peek, who inspired the character of Raymond Babbitt in the film Rain Man, showcases the potential for extraordinary abilities to coexist with significant challenges. Peek could memorize entire books and recite them verbatim, demonstrating that the human mind can harbor capabilities that seem almost superhuman. While the scientific community remains skeptical of many claims surrounding superpowers, there are instances where research has uncovered genuine phenomena that challenge our understanding of human capabilities. For example, studies on near-death experiences, NDEs, have revealed accounts of individuals who report heightened awareness and a sense of transcendence during moments of clinical death. These experiences often include vivid sensations, encounters with deceased loved ones, and a profound sense of peace. While the mechanisms behind NDEs are still debated, they raise questions about consciousness and the potential for experiences beyond our physical existence. In the quest to understand superpowers, we must also consider the role of culture and societal beliefs. The narratives we construct around superhuman abilities are shaped by our collective imagination and the stories we tell. Different cultures have their own interpretations of extraordinary abilities, often rooted in mythology and folklore. The concept of qi in Chinese culture, for instance, refers to a vital energy believed to flow through the body, enabling practitioners of martial arts and traditional medicine to harness their physical and mental potential. Similarly, the idea of prana in Indian philosophy encompasses the life force that sustains all living beings, suggesting a connection between the mind, body, and universe. As we navigate the complex interplay of science, psychology, and culture, we begin to see that the existence of superpowers is less about definitive proof and more about the exploration of human potential. While we may not be able to fly or move objects with our minds, the pursuit of understanding our capabilities can lead to remarkable discoveries about ourselves and the world around us. The journey to unlock our potential may not yield traditional superpowers, but it can empower us to transcend our limitations and achieve greatness in our own unique ways. In conclusion, the narrative of superpowers invites us to explore the boundaries of human potential through a scientific lens. From the extraordinary feats of individuals like Wim Hof to the possibilities presented by genetic modification and the power of belief, the concept of superpowers challenges us to reconsider our understanding of what it means to be human. While the existence of traditional superpowers may remain elusive, the exploration of our capabilities can lead to profound insights and transformative experiences. Ultimately, the true essence of superpowers may lie not in the extraordinary abilities themselves, but in the journey of self-discovery and the relentless pursuit of greatness that resides within us all.